Hey there, it's Mario again. Today we have some camera mounts for cold shoes. Now, I did a review on some other ones I bought, and there's nothing wrong with them. I'll show you one of those right here. I'm actually using one on the camera right now, or the action camera that's off to the side, I should say. And this design is pretty good. So you got a ball mount, you loosen it, tilts whichever way you want. Once you screw the quarter 20 mount on your device, whether it's a camera, mic, whatever, you can also tight down this mount. It has a rubber seal right here. I don't know if that will see it any better. And on the bottom, I will show you one that I already took off, the other one. It has a quarter 20 to 3/8 adapter and this little cold shoe. And again, this works great with the contraption I have here. I'll give you a look at that. Here we have this contraption that holds a little action camera, and I'm using the ball mount on it, so it's pretty versatile the way that works.
One thing I used to see on the top of my camera in the video was the dead cat.
That is the shotgun microphone, and depending where I'm zoomed in, it gets in the picture, and I realized that during one of my last videos. And while I could use one of these ball mounts, it's kind of overkill and adds a little, maybe too much extra weight to the top if I'm kind of lugging it around. So I decided to buy some of these mounts here. All this is a cold shoe mount. It goes right on top of your camera. And this one has 2 sets of threads on it. And the reason why I like the 2 sets of threads is for the simple reason that once you put the cold shoe on, the thread near it will lock it onto the cold shoe. And then you could screw your device on the top. Let's get that in focus. Hey man. There we go. So once you screw your device on top, microphone, action camera, whatever it is, you can use this to snug it up even more. Focus. So this is called, according to the write-up on it, is the camera hot shoe to quarter 20 mount adapter. So I'm a little bit of an amateur photographer. I have some doodads here and there, and you always need brackets. And you can bet it's like I got a pack of 4 of these, and it was $8 on Amazon, free shipping. But if you only bought 2 of them, it was like $6. So for the extra $2, I got it, and I could stack them as well. Well, not this particular design, but it allowed me to stack my microphone on top because it has a threaded quarter 20 and get it slightly higher off the camera or any other device. If again, I want to mount my action camera off the top, I can do that, although I do prefer the ball mount. So that's it, just a short video today. Again, if you like this video, if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.